Good morning, students. Today, our topic is subject and predicate. In previous lesson, we already learnt about what is a sentence and the types of sentences. Now, let us learn about the parts of a sentence. All sentences have two parts, that is, subject and predicate. A complete simple sentence has a subject and a predicate. All the words in a subject form the complete subject, and all the words in a predicate form the complete predicate. For example, you and I are learning about sentences. Here, you and I form the complete subject and are learning about sentences form the complete predicate. The subject in a sentence names whom or what the sentence is about. The complete subject has noun and pronoun. For example, Nikki plays football. Here, Nikki is noun subject. We are going for dinner. Here, we pronoun is subject. A sentence may also have an object. The object of a sentence comes after the verb in the predicate. The predicate is that part of a sentence that tells what is said of the subject. The complete predicate begins with a verb and tells what the subject does, has, or is. The simple predicate is the verb in the complete predicate. For example, we will be traveling together. Here, the verb will be traveling is simple predicate. A simple subject and a simple predicate can be more than one word. For example, Rajdhani Express was running. Here, Rajdhani Express is the main noun and form simple subject. Was running is the verb forming the simple predicate. Thank you.